想跨了味道就可以跳 Sino Afro。Hello， 大家好，我是那个老师 and today I'm back here also to teach you another easy and nice dance tutorial. Let's start. So today our first move, we're going to the right side. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, do it 4 times. So we go after 5, 6, 7, and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and ga. 2, 3, 4, and ga. Da, da, da. So our second move, we go to our second move. So after doing 4 times here, our second move, we go 1, 2, double, double. Same approach to the left. Da, da, double, double, and 2 times. After 2 times, we go to our next move. Front, back, left, ka, right, back, left, back. Also 4 times. So after here, we do it again. Our second move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So after here, we go to our next move, which takes us to the chorus of the song. So let us start from the top. Then after here, we continue. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, ka, slide. 1, 2, 3, ta. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and da, 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 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. So after here, we go to our new move, the chorus. Go front, ka, ta, and back. Then we go back again. Ka, ta, ka, and ka. So we do this 2 times. Okay, so after here, we go to our new move. We point, 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 and point, and. So these moves are our chorus moves. We do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So after here, we go to the freestyle. We freestyle, 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 freestyle. After freestyle, we go back to our first move from top. 5, 6, 7, and ta, 2 ta ka ka, and 1, 2 ta 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 ta, ka, ta ta ta, ka, and wine, 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 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and so after here, after starting from the top to here, we go to our chorus again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. After here, also we freestyle. After here, we go to our new move, which is so easy. We go start from the right. Point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, again we freestyle. Out of freestyle, we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, freestyle. Then here comes to the end of our trio. So let's start from the top slowly, then after to the end. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and freestyle chorus. We go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We freestyle. After here, we go from top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And chorus. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Ta ta ka ka ta ta ka ka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then freestyle. After freestyle, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and freestyle again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Freestyle. Yes. So this was the end of our tutorial. Hope you like it. Hope it was easy. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing. We love you. Yes, thank you.